Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Charles Schwab bank account. First, you'll need to gather some basic information like your social security number and employment details. Next, consider the type of account that best fits your financial goals, whether it's for investing, daily spending, or saving. Finally, we'll look at the simple steps to complete your application and get started with your new account. The application process is straightforward and can be completed online in just a few minutes. You'll start by filling out a secure form with your personal and contact information. Then, you'll be prompted to link an external bank account to easily fund your new Schwab account. Remember to double-check all the details before submitting to ensure a smooth and quick approval process. Once your account is open, you'll gain access to a range of excellent features. Many Schwab accounts come with no monthly service fees, helping you keep more of your money. You'll also appreciate unlimited ATM fee rebates worldwide, making cash access convenient wherever you are. Plus, their dedicated customer support team is available around the clock to assist you. To fully activate your new Charles Schwab account, make your initial deposit. You can easily transfer funds electronically or by mail. Don't forget to download the Charles Schwab mobile app for convenient access to your accounts on the go. It's a great tool for managing your investments and banking. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.